Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your apps and your statistics on AppFlame. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that click on the three lines at the top of the screen. After that click on the My Apps, and here you can see your installed apps and your usage. So you can see that I downloaded the Matchmasters game, my total play time, and how many coins do I receive if I play 166 seconds. And here, if you have a lot more downloaded apps, here you can check them. And if you click on the name of the game, here you will be redirected to the Google Play, and if you click on the play, then you can start playing the game. You do not have to exit the app. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.